Round 1, and only. Chain 1. Chain 7. When you reach the 6th chain, here's our secret weapon, add wire. This will give our leaf that perfect, natural curve. Slip stitch in the 2nd chain from your hook. We're starting our journey back down the chain. Single crochet in the next stitch. Half double crochet in the next. Double crochet in the next. Treble increase in the next stitch. We're building up height here. Now for the cool leaf tip, treble, chain 4, slip stitch, chain 4, treble, all in the last chain. Treble increase in the same stitch. We're mirroring what we did before. Double crochet in the next stitch as we work back down. Half double crochet in the next. Single crochet in the next. Slip stitch in the last stitch. Fasten off and weave in your ends.